Well, good afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel, Motorhoming Fun. This is Ian, by the way. Next few months, guys, we're going to do something a little bit different on the channel. Normally the channel is based around my motorhoming content and motorhoming travels, and obviously my passion for drone flying. But as some of you know on the channel, we're going to have shoulder surgery in the next month or so. I've had a bad shoulder for the last 18-20 months, a little work injury and that. I won't go into too much detail, everybody, but I basically need a rotary cuff, labrum, ligament, cartilage, and I've also got bursitis in the joint, guys. So yeah, come January the 25th, I think it is, the consultant's going to get me in for surgery at the Woodlands Hospital in Kettering, Northamptonshire. This is an NHS surgery. Initially we did go and see him privately just to speed up the process, but he's finally got me in after about 7-8 months of waiting now. So as I say, this little vlog is all about our preparation and what we bought and what I can show you, etc, guys, and maybe some of you who had the surgery as well can point me in the direction of other stuff I need to buy as well. You can probably see I'm wearing a shoulder support. I do wear this during the day. It does help my shoulder no end, so anybody with a rotary cuff labrum problem, I do highly recommend one of these. So yes, guys, if you could subscribe, hit that bell icon, you will get lots of updates, as I say, with the recovery process in the next few months. As I say, this little vlog here is all about the preparation and what we need to do, etc, on the run up to surgery and that. So we're going to, as I say, show you what we bought and that, guys, and that. But also little things like we need to mention are like personal hygiene, things like having haircuts, etc. Little things probably need to do what you can't do after your surgery, like cutting toenails, etc. My main problem is I'm single, I live on my own with my little dog, and unfortunately I'm not going to have a lot of help about once I've had it done. So yes, I've got a couple of sisters and that who live local to me, and an elderly mother who's 82, who I can't rely on. So we're possibly going to need taxis and things to the hospital for physio and back to see the consultant, etc. This is ongoing for possibly 3 to 6 months once I've had the surgery. They did say possibly 3 months if you've got a little bit of a lightweight sit-down job. But myself, having a physical job in the building trade, we've got to let it heal properly. So as I say, we're going to have to take some time off work. We've already been having time off for the last 6 months. Basically just been doing jobs I can manage and that. But as I say, this is the Christmas period now in the building trade, so it does mean we're pretty well off now until surgery on the 25th of January. So come with us on this journey, everybody, and hopefully it'll be a nice little bit of a advice for everybody. I've watched quite a few videos, but mainly most of the videos are based in America. So I do pretty well know what the surgery is all about and what to expect and what pain I'm going to be in after the surgery, what medications I need to take, how regular to take them. Surgery is going to involve keyhole surgery. I'm not having a general anaesthetic, just light sedation and a nerve block apparently, which consultant says I won't know much about, so I can trust his judgment, hopefully. He's obviously done quite a few of these operations, so yeah, not looking forward to it, as you don't with surgery, but it's one of those things of having to do it, guys. So we're going to take you upstairs next and show you all the preparation items, guys. So we'll show you upstairs in a minute. Bye for now. Right, welcome back everybody. Well, we're just going to show you a few of the preparation items we've got now for my surgery, and as you can see, we'll start off on the bed with a few items. Now, we've got a couple of bed wedges. My intentions are to sleep in the bed at night, so yeah, we got two, one by mistake. One didn't come for about 3 weeks, and then it eventually turned up, so I've gained two now. So I'm either going to have them side by side with pillows underneath my arm, or we can double up to raise myself and have double the height. So yeah, they're the wedge pillows, which I think are essential. We've also got this V-shaped pillow as well. Now we can place that on top of those with another normal pillow as well. And for getting out of bed in the mornings, guys, I don't know whether you've seen one of these before, but I was recommended to get a bed ladder so I can pull myself up with one arm. So that is the bed ladder. Right, we'll move round to the top end. What you can see here, guys, showering. We've got a mesh sling, so we can take our main sling off and have a shower with this mesh one on. This little pack here, these are shoulder pads. These are the fluffy car ones, what you put around your seat belt. I was recommended to get some of those, just to protect your neck and your shoulder from wearing a sling all day. Right, we have bought this as well. Not too sure whether I'm going to get one or not, but this is what they call abduction sling. You probably know these, everybody, but this has basically got the cushion support, and we've got the little ball on the end for exercise. As I say, I'm not too sure what type of sling I'll be given after surgery, but looking at a few videos and that, a lot of people do say these are better, so I've got that in general preparation. Right, footwear. We've got some slip-on waterproof shoes come slippers. We've got a general variety of different colour slip-on shoes as well. We've got some brown, we've got some grey, and we've got some blue. You can just see Sky, she's just hopped onto the bed. That's my travel buddy and live-in buddy and that, so she's my main helper once the surgery's done. Right, sock-wise, I was told to get some trainer socks, to be honest. So we've got a few packs of trainer socks. We're going to get some more. I think we're going to find these easier to slip on in the morning. Now, unfortunately, we are winter now, but I have got a couple of pairs of pull-up shorts with the elasticated waist. We've got a bunch of t-shirts, all probably double L, triple XL sizes, loose baggy t-shirts to put on after surgery. So we've got about 10 of those at the moment, so that's 10 little normal t-shirts. And then we've got a variety of zippers, come hoodies, and that they're going to be easier just to slip on in the daytime and get off at night, etc. We've got about 4 of these we bought new, and we've also got some existing ones in the cupboard. So that's the hoodies, zippers. And then coming on to here, guys, we've got just some cheap jogging bottoms, pull up. We've got some blues and some blacks. I think we've also got some grey ones in the cupboard as well. So basically you want nice easy clothing to put on, and that, as I say, I've got nobody to help dress me in the mornings and that, so we're just going to have to take our time put a t-shirt on, put a hoodie on, put some joggers on, and the slip-on shoes. Right, next thing, I'm being told, spray on deodorant. Now these are just the Audi cheap ones, these are, guys. I get on with these quite well, but basically you can just spray yourself with your good arm and that, and you're going to smell nice and that. So these are cheap and cheerful ones, these are. So the only other thing is, guys, I probably haven't mentioned is surgery is going to be on my dominant arm, my right arm. So everything I'm going to do is going to be with my left hand, unfortunately. Right, another thing, electric shaver. If you haven't got a beard, essential, electric shaver. Also, we've got some electric or battery hair clippers. Me, as you can see, well, I probably haven't shown you, but you see me with a hat on earlier, but I'm fairly bald, guys, so we have to keep on top of the hair. So battery shaver, and then we have the electric toothbrush, or the battery toothbrush, guys. So essential. Obviously we can't use a normal dominant arm for cleaning our teeth, so we've got the battery shaver. So that is basically all my preparation stuff for dressing in the morning, shoe wear, etc. Trying to sleep at night. So yeah, it's not going to be the easiest thing, as I know we've got to sleep on a back. I'm not really a back sleeper, I'm a side sleeper, but we're going to have to give it our best shot over the coming weeks and months. So we'll take you downstairs next and we'll show you the living quarters. Right, just another thing I should mention while we're upstairs. We got ourselves what they call a shower or a bath seat. This just come from eBay this morning. It was classed as used, but to be honest, it was brand new. It was all wrapped up, and that the packaging might have been open, but that was $10.99, that was. So I think it's going to be a nice little advantage for me to have a shower whenever. Just sit down. We've got one of those douche showers overhead, so basically the water's going to fall on me, get wet, going to be able to use shower gel, have a good wash and that. So hopefully, as I say, that'll be a fantastic help. Right, another thing I should mention, we've got some wound dressings. Obviously, once I've had the surgery, we'll have the main bandage on for a few days, and that will come off, and if we need to replace the bandages underneath or the waterproof strips, we've got some of these Terraderm ones, guys. These are just the basic ones, but I have ordered some with the little pads in the middle as well. Obviously these are just a clear waterproof barrier, so it's just to protect the wound and the stitches for a few weeks before the stitches come out. So we got, I think, 10 of those, and we've got 10 more of the ones with the little pads in the middle. Right, so this is my main living room, guys. As you can see, haven't got room or haven't got a recliner, so we've got a couple of chairs like this in the living room and the main settee. So basically I've just bought myself a nice big poofty to put my feet on. If we need to try and sleep in that chair at night, we'll also do so, and that. So we've got no really other alternative. It's just a small bedroom house I live in, and I think this is going to be about the best we can do. Right, this is more my daytime space. This is my conservatory. We've got a two-seater settee in here and a single chair. You can probably see Bo on there. That's my mum's dog. She's here at the moment after our morning walk. So this is my intentions, just to sit here most of the day. We've also got a nice little footstool as well there. We can put our feet on and that, and a lovely big TV as well to watch. So yeah, we've got music on there, we've got the Spotify and the Fire Stick, etc. So as I say, this is my daytime relaxing spot. We've got the table there as well for drinks, remote controls, etc. Right, we're into the kitchen now. Not too much to show you here, guys, but a couple of little recommendations I'm being told to get is a battery tin opener. So that's a battery tin opener, and also we've got a little grab thing here you can put around jars and bottle tops, help get your bottle lids off, etc. And also we've got one of these little grab handles as well. If we drop things on the floor, they should help us pick things up, or Sky wants to play with a ball and that, etc. We can obviously pick things up with ease. Dining wise, ready-made meals I think we're going to be living on for a few weeks and months. If I get asked out for dinner, I've got a couple of sisters and my mother hopefully, but we're going to try and get some batch meals prepared, shepherd's pies, chilies, curries. We have bought some frozen ones as well, and it's like eating as well. We're going to have a job to make sandwiches, etc. So we've been buying some tin soup, etc. up with the little ring pull lids and that. So I think lunch times we'll be eating a lot of soup and just dunking some toast in and that. So probably should mention another thing. Drinks bottle. Get yourself a nice little drinks bottle. You can probably fill one of those up in the morning, and that's going to last you a good proportion of the day and that. So just little things these are, everybody. All preparation. As I say, it's going to be quite hard for somebody living on my own. Just general preparation, living. We've got to also walk the dog as well, so obviously we need to prepare things like dog poo bags. So these are on a roll at the moment, but we need to take those off the roll, scrunch them all up so they're all prepared, ready for when we go out for a walk, because I think Sky's going to be my lifesaver at the moment, just getting out and about for some nice little walks. Obviously we have got to pick up the poo with the left hand and that, guys, but as I say, we need to get this surgery done on the shoulder and that, but we're not exactly looking forward to it, but I think it's essential. I'm coming up to 60 next year, so as I say, if I need to get back to work, we need to get the shoulder fixed. So thanks again, everybody. That's basically all my preparation stuff for the surgery coming up on the 25th of January. And do subscribe, like, keep watching these up and coming videos and that, guys, and hopefully, you know, it might help you all out in the future with your surgery. So we'll see you all hopefully on surgery day now, and we'll continue the vlogs. Thank you very much. Bye for now.